Okay, I made some headway on this. The leak in the airbox has been drained. I did use some carburetor cleaner. It will kind of fire, but clearly being fuel injected, it doesn't have enough to fire it up and run. But it will cough, so we're definitely getting spark. I will confirm with a spark tester though, but as far as I can tell, we are getting spark. So that means the computer is functioning. So after talking to the dealer, they said it's commonly the fuel injector goes out on these. I'm thinking it's the fuel pump. When you go and turn it on, fuel pump's right there. You hear the relay click, but other than that, there's nothing. I can't really hear anything coming out of the fuel pump. So I want to disconnect the line from the fuel pump and see if any fuel comes out whenever it goes to prime the system. So that's basically the next step there. Occasionally the FI light will turn off, but it won't stay off consistently. So it's definitely a fuel related issue. If you could smell the contents of this fuel tank, you would believe me that it's definitely a fuel issue. It's pretty rancid in that tank. So I'm gonna get it ready for the fuel to be drained, and obviously go outside and drain the fuel and probably burn off the fuel, put it in the fire pit sort of thing. So I'm not putting that in any of my equipment, that's for sure. But it doesn't even sound like the fuel pump's trying to purge. So I might try and back bleed the tank, see if there's any build up in the line. See if I can get some fuel to the fuel pump and see if it will purge. So to me, it definitely does sound like it's the fuel pump. Any clicking sounds are actually these relays right here and here. It's nothing is coming from that actual fuel pump. So I'm thinking the fuel pump is bad. So next step is figure out the fuel pump. Then we'll go from there. If it is the fuel pump, then we'll go forward and do the injector, get that cleaned. The dealer said put some fuel injection cleaner in it. Once you get it running, put that in there. It should help clean out the injector. So I'll have to go out and get some fuel injection cleaner, and we'll go from there. But there's where we're at right now. That's pretty much where we're going to end it off on this for now. So I'm just kind of looking here if I can utilize this part of the frame right here where the foot plates are, come across right here and find a spot on the golf cart where I can weld that to. I think that would actually work out pretty good. The engine, how the jug sticks forward, hopefully I can figure out a way of incorporating that into the golf cart and either run these tires or attempt to run golf cart tires. Golf cart tires are also 4-lug, and these are 4-lug. So this all is a 400 if I didn't mention it before. So it is the baby four-wheeler. It's a baby Suzuki. So it's not too bad. So it shouldn't overpower that golf cart chassis too much. So there's where we're at right now. And if I get any more updates when we'll work on the fuel pump, I definitely will post them. This machine will be put back outside, but it's not being outside. It's going in the storage shed, or sorry, the storage tent. It will not be sat outside. Definitely don't want a leak back in the airbox. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please try and comment.